contest is an Iron Man match and is for the Intercontinental Championship.
Singles action on its way, and it sounds like this arena is more than ready to kick this one off.
So is social media, Michael. The opening bell hasn't even rung, and yet both these superstars are already trending.
Shake the ground, heart of fire, hear the sound, I am the bear, oh yeah. Bear hug, never let go, I am the bear, oh yeah. Bear hug, feel the power grow. Mad Max.
One-on-one action coming up here, guys, and I'm willing to bet this will be one we won't soon forget.
Totally agree, Michael. When you have two superstars as hungry as these two competing in the ring, you can bet it'll be memorable.
Introducing the challenger from Kona, Hawaii, weighing in at 244 pounds, the Bear, Bob Barker. Introducing the champion from Melbourne, Australia, weighing in at 225 pounds, he is the Intercontinental Champion, Max Gibson.
So don't move a muscle.
The time for talk is over. We'll find out who the best is in the ring right now.
I am so excited this moment is finally here.
These guys are undoubtedly going to give us a show here tonight.
Ooh! What a stomp! Good grief! Guys, these superstars really do appear to be in peak physical condition here tonight, which isn't surprising considering what's on the line here in this championship match. He's got the shoulders down, digging deep for a kick out.
He can withstand a lot more punishment, I can promise you that.
I gotta agree with you, Michael. These superstars are in tremendous shape, and from what I understand, the champ has been hitting the gym twice daily in preparation for tonight.
I heard the same thing, Saxton. Once in the morning, then again at night after the show. which makes me wonder when the champ actually sleeps, if at all.
Effectively using the knee. Just a debilitating neck breaker. Call me crazy, but this might be one of those rare instances where the champion actually enters the match as the underdog. I know it sounds odd, but it really seems like the champ is up against a headwind here.
Impactful slam. You're not crazy, Byron. The champ certainly has an uphill battle here, and while it's rare, we have seen the challenger head into the match as the heavy favorite. Bruno Sammartino challenging Stan Stasiak in 1973 immediately comes to mind, as does Diesel squaring off against Bob Backlund in 1994.
Did you really just say that Saxton is not crazy, Cole? Man, just when I started to think you might be all right, you go and say something ridiculous like that.
Elbow finds its mark.
Snapmare. Oh, and the rolling neck snap. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Oh, earth-shattering spine buster. Here's his chance to win this. Did you see the impact on that? Wow. Here it comes.
Knocked off his feet.
Now that's a takedown. This guy has every square inch of that ring scouted to perfection.
He might have it. Beautiful technique.
Here's his moment, Michael.
An early fall for the challenger there. Really working over the body. The champ starting to feel the pressure a bit. This match is clearly taking its toll on the champ.
In a back-and-forth match like this, he has to do everything in his power not to let his opponent gain too much momentum here.
Place to be for the challenger. The challenger's hopes of becoming champion appear to be in serious jeopardy right now.
This match is trending in a bad direction for him right now, guys. He's going to want to make some changes if he wants to stay in it.
Man, I knew this was going to be a closely fought battle, but I didn't realize it was going to be this close. This is unreal.
Here we go a second time.
This one's over, guys.
The shoulders are down. The challenger gets a fall. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Drop kick! Oh, right in the back. The champ looking a little uneasy here. He's always ready for a fight and has seen his fair share of wars in WWE. This championship match is just another day at the office.
He's really starting to look fatigued here, guys, and when that happens, your whole body starts to give out on you. He's going to need to be careful here.
You got him! His shoulders are down. And he doesn't stay down for long.
Nice kick out.
Oh, nasty impact.
He's making a statement here with this attack. A spine buster!
The challenger simply will not be denied.
Looking to catch him off guard there, I guess.
How'd he do that?
This is it. I don't like the look in his eye here, folks. He has him right where he wants him.
Lands this, and he is done.
Lightning fast reflexes. Going to the top, high risk. He's looking at it. Bad move there.
I don't know what made him think that was a good idea. Ooh, neck breaker.
There he goes, crashing to the floor.
Look out!
There may be no coming back from this incredible beatdown.
Big move coming. Wait for it.
Great move by him right there.
Yeah, let's see that one again.
He's got to hurry if he doesn't want to get counted out here.
Time's certainly not on his side, Michael.
How are these superstars even still going, guys? I mean, they have to be on fumes right now.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Look at this.
The challenger's championship dreams are fading quickly. We may be looking at the beginning of the end here for the challenger.
Well, on the plus side, he's not the only one in that ring struggling for air right now.
The champ to the top turnbuckle. Look at this. Hooked up and backdrop suplex. The champion into the cover. A kick out, and he almost had him. Wow. This is going to be big, one way or another. Incoming. What a battle this has been. I mean, these men have absolutely destroyed each other, and over the course of this match, there's still some time left on the clock. Oh no, we've got a problem here, guys.
No kidding. Who knows what'll happen next?
Oh, what impact. Comes up big with a reversal. The champ is in a bad way here. I have a feeling this isn't going to end well for him.
This has been one of the most intense back-and-forth battles I've seen in a long time. And unfortunately for him, it's not looking so great right now. That has got to be it.
I get it. It's a cool move. But again, really?
Oh, he's able to reverse it. Here he goes. That'll hinder your modeling career.
Now that's how you successfully defend your title.
Oh no, you gotta believe this one's over.
We may be looking at our winner here, guys.
Here's the pin, title on the line. 2, 3. The challenger not looking good right now. He doesn't want to absorb much more punishment if he wants to win this match.
If he wants to win this thing, he's going to need to make some changes here. There's no way he can stay in this match if he doesn't find a way to fend off this attack.
We've seen this before. Now he's got something working. Ooh, what impact. Can he finish the job? Showing off some of his speed there. Look out!
right now. They've got to be exhausted.
The challenger looking absolutely exhausted in there. He might just have nothing left to give, guys.
Guys, you can tell he's drained, but I guarantee you that won't stop him from doing everything he can to win this thing. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Slam down hard.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. A second time.
Oh, right to the face.
So much for crowning a new champion tonight.
Here's the pin, title on the line. Here we go. Digging deep for a kick out.
What a match.
He's not going to like this. Looking for a repeat.
Looks like this one's gonna go in the champ's favor.
Here's the pin. Title on the line. 3. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. No, he reverses it.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
He gets it with a reversal. There he goes, crashing to the floor. Look at this.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
When this guy's on, look out. Up against the barrier now.
I think that barrier might be the only thing holding him up.
I think you're right. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. He's got to hurry if he doesn't want to get counted out here.
Time's certainly not on his side, Michael.
We're getting ever so close to the end of this Iron Man match, and what a match it's been up to this point.
Thunderous slam. Tear the features clean off your face. In WWE, there's as much chaos outside the ring as there is inside the ring.
Try working with Saxton at ringside.
A buster. That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
The action from that Iron Man match is worth a second look. Heck, it was so amazing, it's worth about 100 looks.
That was just one of those matches that the men involved should just be proud to be a part of. A legendary performance. There's good, there's great, and then there's downright unbelievable WWE action. Ladies and gentlemen, you just got a taste of the unbelievable.
Intercontinental Champion, the Bear,
Huge victory here in one-on-one action.
And talk about displaying a never-say-die attitude. It was as if winning was the only option here tonight.
As hard as it will be not to think about that amazing match we just saw, we must move on here, guys.